In a spine-tingling midnight scene, an eerie figure materializes at a house just before 2 a.m. He relentlessly rings the doorbell, then stealthily lurks behind a parked car, clutching a menacing bat. His labored breath and profuse sweat add to the ominous atmosphere as he nervously scans the street and fixates on the house. When his sinister plan is thwarted by eerie silence, he hastily retreats. Suddenly, a voice pierces the stillness, warning him that the police are en route, leaving a trail of unanswered questions and an unsettling sense of unease in his wake. In a shocking incident in Kansas City, a man with sinister intentions targeted his ex-girlfriend's home while she and her son slept inside. In a chilling display of determination, he first tried to disable the Ring Doorbell camera, unsuccessfully. Returning 30 minutes later, he covered the camera with a cloth. Moments later, the son's panicked entrance into his mother's room revealed their car was on fire. Despite calling emergency services, the destructive blaze, ignited by the same man, consumed their car and most of their home before help arrived. This haunting video captures the terrifying consequences of a vengeful act. In a disturbing incident in the USA, a security camera captured two men targeting a home in a quiet neighborhood. One of the intruders boldly approached the front door, attempting to forcefully kick it open. Frustrated, he shifted his focus to the side door, attempting to breach it. Alarmingly, one of the men was armed. However, their nefarious plans were disrupted as the homeowner awakened, confronting them with loud demands to leave. The video serves as a chilling reminder of the importance of vigilance and home security in today's world.
Hello.
In a bizarre 3 a.m. encounter in Mexico, a woman was caught on camera attempting various keys on a stranger's home while searching for a hidden one. The bewildered homeowner reported never having seen her before. Later, she resorted to hurling rocks at his car and testing the car's locks. To date, the mysterious woman remains elusive, with the police actively searching for her. In a chilling incident in Texas, a homeowner received an unexpected 1:20 a.m. knock at her door, disguised as a DoorDash delivery. Her husband was away at work, leaving her alone. Alarmed, she later discovered damage to her back door. Reviewing her security cameras, she uncovered a shocking plot. Thieves had used the fake DoorDash pretext to target her home.
DoorDash.
The police were alerted, launching an investigation to unravel the sinister scheme. This unsettling video underscores the importance of vigilance and security measures in protecting one's home from potential threats and intrusions. In a heart-stopping encounter, a homeowner was preparing to take his 3 dogs for a walk when a massive wild bear made a startling attempt to enter their home. Without hesitation, he acted swiftly, shouting and physically pushing the bear in a desperate bid to scare it away. Despite the initial retreat, the determined bear returned. Undaunted, the courageous homeowner used a bench from his front porch to barricade the door, successfully thwarting the bear's persistent advances.
When I had time to just sit and just stare, it all hit me, and I started bawling. I couldn't believe how close to death I was, and I did it for my dog.
In a disturbing series of events in 2019, several homes fell victim to a fake police investigator named Jeff Rushmore. With meticulous planning, he wielded a counterfeit police badge, radio, and uniform. In one instance, a vigilant homeowner refused to answer the door, prompting Rushmore to move on.
Can you open the door?
26, I got you en route. Health Mark UK21 is going to be the 6th person. 900 North Villa. 900 North Villa. Looks like he is with them. They can have some custody. Dallas 84. Rated alarm 4739 Forest. 4739, that's Forest across the Wood Prairie, called in by a resident. Nothing showing. Visual 103.
140 George, individual's not answering the door.
He later approached another home where the owner answered. Claiming that a neighbor had gone missing, his sinister motives remain a mystery to this day.
Hi, sorry to bother you so late. I'm Rushmore with the Winfield Police Department. I'm an investigator. One of your neighbors down the street reported a missing.
This unsettling tale serves as a chilling reminder of the importance of verifying the identities of those who approach our homes, even in the guise of authority. In a terrifying video, a woman captures a startling encounter outside her front door as a pack of hungry bears rips into recently delivered packages filled with aromatic dog food. With fearless determination, she attempts to scare them away, but the bears' craving prevails and they make off with a bag of the tempting dog food. This gripping footage serves as a vivid reminder of the wild world encroaching upon our daily lives. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, then please leave a like and subscribe if you're new for more daily jaw-dropping content like this.